Trent Mell from Electra Battery Materials, standing at our battery materials park north of Toronto. What you see in the background is our solvent extraction plant for phase one of our plans, our cobalt plant refinery being in front of you. And we have two big announcements coming out. One is our intention to list the stock on the Nasdaq, and the other has to do with our recycling, our phase two of our expansion, battery recycling. So let me start with the Nasdaq. Why now? Well, you can see we're in construction. This plant is going to come together over the summer months, and we're commissioning the cobalt circuit in December. So as you transition from a startup to cash flow, you want exposure to bigger markets and bigger institutional investors. So that's what the Nasdaq is intended to achieve. It will require a consolidation of our current share count in order to meet the minimum requirements. So we'll get that done in a few days. I'm hoping 2 or 3 weeks to get listed and traded on the Nasdaq, but that'll be subject to regulatory approvals. So excited about that. The other piece of news coming in tandem with that has to do with phase two, recycling. We have an announcement to sell a big part of the production coming out of battery recycling, the nickel and the cobalt, in a stream called an MHP. Glencore is going to buy up to 100% of that for the first 18 months. So it really de-risks the business plan as we seek to continue to expand this battery materials park into an integrated site. And having them as a partner is huge. We still have copper, we have graphite, lithium contracts to negotiate. That'll come as well. Demonstration plant in the building in front of me is going to take place in the summer months. And then on the heels of the commissioning of the cobalt plant, we'll be able to get into recycling. And eventually, future plans would include a nickel plant here on this footprint, as well as bringing in a precursor manufacturer to partner with us and to receive all that material directly into a plant, integrated, low footprint, and great operational efficiency. So I hope you'll follow along on our journey. Be well and be safe. Thank you.